Hello. This second day of my tutorial on our website, how to brush your way through our website, honestsales.com, the best website in the world. Right. Yesterday we learned about how to go to our blog pages, and so today we're gonna go on to how to access or buy a gift card. Right. You just go up here on the banner, just click on the gift cards, and so it will bring you here. And so then you choose from any gift card that you want. Happy Independence Day, Merry Christmas, Happy Easter. So let's see, send this. And so what it does, it brings you to this page. Then you can choose whether to print it yourself. We have to move this thing over here. And so what we're gonna do, we will send by email. And so we just go on the second line. We just put in our email address. Let's say we send date, you choose the send dates, and so January is still in January, so we can send it on the 25th. So the sender's name, you put your name in there, Prince, recipient name, maybe John. Upload personalized speech, you can upload a personalized picture. Then you can just write just a short message here. Happy Easter, maybe Happy Easter from your best. So then here you choose how much. I think it just goes in there. How much you want to send? Let's say we want to send 20 pounds. Then we add to cart. Field cannot be empty. It wants us to choose a file of ourselves. Okay, let's choose any file. Let's choose this one. So you just want your picture in there. Okay, upload. Yep, it's in there. And so we go to add to cart. Right, so add to cart brings you here. And so then we go straight away to checkout. So we can log in. If you've not registered, you can register and log in there. Right, and so, okay, I've got some items there, so let me just delete this one, remove. So, continue to payment. Let's use bank transfer. Confirm. And voila, we all done. And so the email will send to the card will be sent to the person that you are sending the gift card to. All right, thank you very much. This is the end of today's lessons on how to find your way or navigate your way through Honesty Sales. All right, thank you very much. See you another time. Thank you.